filed a notice of tender payment.
Should count, but it does not.
When this woman rejected a sheriff's deed and tried to pay with a bill of exchange, the judge wasn't entertaining the sovereign-style argument and shut it down.
Natasha Ballard versus D23 LLC, which is an appeal from a dispossessory order in magistrate court.
From my position, I filed an affidavit of priority interest in the property. I don't understand how we can be at this point when I'm not a tenant and there's no contract for being a tenant. The opposing party says that they have interest in the property, saying that they have a sheriff's deed, which is color of title. It's not the title. There's no position of equity with that sheriff's deed. So I'm challenging the jurisdiction of this other entity. I'm requesting that this motion under the Rule 60B that thrown out. We don't have a contract. There's nothing to really argue here.
One question I did have, Ms. Ballard, is that the purpose of this action is because the magistrate judge entered an order that said that you were not entitled to possession, and you're challenging that order. But part of the order also requires that for you to challenge it, you're required to make some payment into the registry of the court. I don't see that any payments have been made. I think that that's part of Ms. Akpati's argument.
Filed a notice of tender payment into the courts, and it has proper endorsement. It's been properly endorsed.
Due respect, ma'am, but it is not filing a paper that says I hereby tender payment that is not actually accompanied by a payment recognizable in legal acceptable tender in the United States. Then you have not made a payment under any legal definition that I am aware of. And so
I gave you a bill of exchange, which is the same thing.
No, ma'am, it's not. A bill of exchange is not recognized as legal tender in the United States, and therefore it would not satisfy the requirement that tenant must make the following payment into the court registry.
Will you be so kind to confirm under what law?
For that reason, I am dismissing case number.
Ma'am, I object. Under what law does it say that it is not a legal payment?
Ms. Ballard, stop. I understand that you do not like the outcome. I understand that you believe that that legal tender notice of exchange that you gave me should count, but it does not.
You cannot make a ruling over something you can't know. You saying you don't know is an unacceptable response, respectfully.
Ms. Ballard, as I said, my answer was, if you would like to direct me to case law that says that what you submitted is legal, Ms. Ballard.
Is this a court of law? It is unacceptable for you.
This matter is adjourned.